From the Chinese speed to her height. From the made in China to innovation. As a sporty motorcycle brand under Loncin, the Voge devotes to the consumer's extreme happiness. Hold the expectation for the future life of motorcycle. With the spirit of fun, progressive, and free. Make each product fully understand the driving aesthetics, which is the so-called innovation of Voge. We set the perfectly produce every motorcycle as our start. A reliable motorcycle lies on power and operation. Strong power depends on performance and quality control. Start from our southwestern corner to the worldwide. Cooperate with the top motorcycle brand. Keep study the high-end European design and technology, which brought the engine ppm under 0.03%. To this date, the sales of the 650 engine was more than 180,000 units. Reliable quality, globally proven. An excellent frame is the base for fine operation performance. Design the operation performance from concept layout. The initial product's concept is under the assistance of CAE and database analysis. On the basis of development goal and product's location, we brought many factors into consideration. Check and calculate each parameter to get a reasonable layout plan. Meanwhile, we also took influence of frame design on comfortability and durability into consideration. The frame structure needs compactness, stiffness, especially lightweight. We made simulative analysis from frame mode structure, predict vibration under every working status for avoiding resonance and decreasing amplitude. We need analyze the weak area of frame and make plans for strengthen, which finally work out the best frame design through repeated simulative optimization and iteration. We need repeatedly test and verify the dynamic performances of frame, refine the material and production procedure, comprehensively evaluate the operation performance for sample model. Finally, find out the frame design with the best vibration and technique performance. Forward driving design based on CAE analysis. Constant iterative optimization and adjustment. Voge keeps strengthening its core competitiveness by self-innovation. What you see may not be all. In the mind of Voge, every tiny link means crucial. Critical standard and strict technique live in each process. Visible or out of sight, Voge fulfill her promise of perfect driving by each solid pace. Cycling for you. Voge.